Hey, what's up, everyone? So, very interesting. I've seen spiky hail before, back in 2004 and 2007, but not exactly to this extent. It did not look so much like the COVID 19 or coronavirus shape. So, this is in the local Beijing news COVID shaped hail, and locals reported on social media how much the hail resembled this particular virus, which, as you know, almost 100% likely came out of that particular country. And, well, maybe it's a way of saying, hey, wake up. So check this out. Also, just at the same time as that strange sound began in China, that that loud roaring sound that I'm trying my best to imitate, that sound that came out of China, out of a particular Chinese village, which many started spreading social media posts about, saying that it was likely a dragon, some saying that it was the tectonic plate shifting, which that's a theory of ours as well, that it's either the sounds of the ancients, the sounds of the inside of the earth, or the sounds, that's a theory of mine, and a theory of ours is that it could be the tectonic plate shifting before an earthquake, because as you know, the day after that happened, on July 2nd, a large earthquake hit the area of around a 5.5 on the Richter scale and knocked the mountain down where those sounds originated from. Some people are speculating that it's technology of the CCP. Some are speculating that it was something spiritual, God speaking. Some people said that it was the dragons, creatures of inside the earth. So many theories, underground tunnels. The theories go on and on, the statements go on and on, but check out this coronavirus-shaped hail. Around the exact same time, those strange sounds were heard out of China. So this is quite interesting, one thing after another.
Earlier this week,
here's the report.
A hailstorm in Beijing has sparked internet buzz. Hailstones as big as chicken eggs have been seen falling from the late June sky. Locals were surprised by the hailstone's unusual shape, which some say resemble mini ice sculptures of the CCP virus. One netizen commented online, writing, "You have to believe." The Trump administration's criticism